let's take a look at our cymbals, starting with the ride. Right now you're going to see that my ride is at an almost perpendicular angle to the ground. And what that's going to do is, again, my stick is going to hit on the very tip rather than the bead. So let's flatten it out just a little bit. You'll notice, however, that if you flatten it out all the way, you run into a similar problem. Because now, instead of hitting with the bead of the stick, I'm going to be hitting with the shoulder of the stick. Which basically just means I'm going to be playing really loud the whole time, as well as putting a lot of dents in my stick. This angle is going to work pretty well for me right now, but experiment and find the sound that you like best.